Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Joel. I'm a client advisor at BMW of Bridgewater. Today we have some really exciting news, a brand new product that's on the line right now, the 2024 BMW i5 M60. This thing packs 596 horsepower and gets you up to 256 miles of range. All-wheel drive with intelligent X-Drive in this car. This beautiful one is finished in Brooklyn gray metallic, everybody's favorite. You get a ton of new designs in the front end. I'm gonna get you a little bit closer over here to show you a few different things. We'll do a quick little walk around video and get you acclimated with the car. You're gonna see a wide array of nice, big, wide, high gloss black kidney grills that also do illuminate around the exterior perimeter of that. You're also gonna see your front camera on the side there. And we'll swing around to the passenger side. We're gonna see some beautiful M Sport 20-inch wheels. These are all season tires for the first time for the 5 Series, getting all seasons on 20-inch wheels now. Beautiful red calipers. Also, you're gonna see some other design features from a couple of other models. 4 Series Grand Coupe style flush door handles. Everybody's loving those. We'll swing it around to the back. We have some heritage here from some older BMWs. We have a beautiful 5 displaying the 5 Series heritage right here in the back. As we also come, you're gonna see a huge rear diffuser there, finished in high gloss, M60 badge on the right, i5 badge on the left, and of course your blue badging on the BMW end of things too. Now let me open up the driver door for you, get you acclimated with the inside. There are a couple of things that are pretty drastically different on this than even some of our newer updated models. So right now we have, of course, the 28-inch LED curved display you're going to see in a lot of our models right now. You're going to have an all-new exclusive M steering wheel with a flat bottom to it. Also M stitching and a red wrap around the top there. Beautiful design to it. Now I want to focus on the door panel over here as well. We have a new system. Bowers & Wilkins used to be the Diamond system for 3,400. Now they took away the Harman Kardons in this particular car for the upgraded, and now we're going with the Bowers. Offers much better bass and a lot more clarity for it as well too. You're also going to get a couple of new fabrics on the interior. Let's get a good shot of the interior seats right here. Diamond stitch style to it. This is a no charge option. It's quilted Vaganza, absolutely beautiful. There's several different options that you can get of colors that amplify that. As you can see, a whole new different interior. You'll see some different styling cues in there. There's a little bit from the 7 Series, there's a little bit from the iX, and a couple of our other beautiful brand new models now. Now we're gonna get a nice big view of the side over here on the driver's side. You can take a look at these mirror caps as well. M-style mirror caps are going to be standard on any M Sport model, any M60 that you're going to get as well, which is all new for this particular car. Now, as mentioned before, this is an all-wheel drive vehicle, almost 600 horsepower in this beautiful machine. It drives fantastic. I welcome everybody to stop by, come take a look, come take a test drive. If you have any questions or concerns, I'll be more than happy to answer any of those with you. I'll give you one final shot of this beautiful Brooklyn gray machine. Now, thank you, everybody. Like I said, if you have questions or concerns, feel free to reach out. Once again, my name is Joel. I'm happy to help anytime. Thank you.